welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily clean your Windows computer from viruses. To do that, you will need to have two elements. First, make sure that you are connected to internet, and second one, this second option, it will be up to you. Either you want to download and install a third-party antivirus, which I did for me personally, and then check that the database of that antivirus is up to date. Note that in this option you have two choices. You can either go for the free versions or for the paid versions, all depends on you. After installing it and updating your database, then you want to run a scan and let the antivirus do the work for you. The next option, which is using the Microsoft Windows integrated antivirus. If you have pre-installed Windows or you bought a laptop with already installed Windows 10 or Windows 7 or Windows 11, then you will find out that there is an antivirus pre-installed by Windows, which you can also use for cleaning your computer from viruses. So let's go back to the first option. Now my antivirus has completed updating, and now I will just click OK. We can go back and click scan this computer and run complete scan. Maybe if you have a different antivirus, just make sure to update your database and make sure to perform a scan. This is the first option. The second option, we will use now the integrated antivirus from Windows. Just type on your search tab, Windows Security. This application will show, so click on it. This interface will be loaded, then make sure that everything is in green. So for now, we'll go to Virus and Threat Protection. And here, before we go to Quick Scan, we want to make sure that we have updated our database. So here, as you can see, current threat, last scan was a few weeks ago, and zero threat found, blah, blah, blah. So for now, I will make sure to update this antivirus. So we will go to Virus and Threat Protection Updates, click Check for Updates. Check for updates again, and make sure that you're connected to the internet. You will need to wait 1 minute, even 5 minutes, if there are some updates available to get them. And once done, we will go and run also a scan. So once the update has been completed, and here we can see that the version created is the same as my date today, and also the time is the same. So, and the last update. So I will just click on this arrow back and I will click scan options. And here I will select full scan and I will click scan now. This operation might take from you guys 5 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours based on how much data you have in your computer, how fast is your computer. So you might have more or less same as me, between 5 minutes to 1 hour, sometimes even more if you have so much data and slow computer. So once done, Windows will take care of deleting or putting in quarantine any virus found, and it will pop up for you a message in the notification to ask you to take action. If there is any threat found, it will tell you, and then you can just click to action it. Now, clicking this window, going back to the antivirus, the antivirus has already finished analyzing, and since I have already removed the viruses before, so I will just click OK and finish. You might want to have this mixed between third-party antivirus and Windows protection to make sure that you have maximum protection for your computer. However, the best option for maximum protection from viruses is to be always careful when navigating on the internet or when downloading files. I hope this video tutorial was helpful, clear, and short. If you still need my help or assistance, you can always leave us a comment or send me an email, and I will do my best to help you. If you still would like to receive more notifications, or if you still want to be in touch with us, you can always do that. And if you want to encourage us, you can always press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.